Welcome. If you've ever archived a conversation on Telegram and wondered where it went, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated step-by-step process to view your archived chats on Telegram. Whether you're tidying up your chat list or just want to revisit an old conversation, these easy steps will help you find your archived messages in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you archived the chats. Once the app is open, you'll land on your main chat list, where all your active conversations are displayed. Next, scroll all the way to the top of your chat list. If you have a lot of conversations, just keep swiping up until you reach the very top. Here's the trick: swipe down slightly on your chat list. This action reveals any hidden folders, including your archived chats. If you've archived chats before, you'll see a folder labeled Archived Chats appear at the top of your screen. Now simply tap on the Archived Chats folder. Inside, you'll find all the conversations you've previously archived, neatly organized and out of your main chat feed. You can browse through these chats, read old messages, or even reply to them just like any other conversation. If you want to return a chat to your main list, you can unarchive it with a simple swipe or tap, depending on your device. If you don't see the Archived Chats folder, don't worry. That just means you haven't archived any chats yet, or the folder is currently hidden. Once you archive a chat, the folder will appear the next time you swipe down at the top of your chat list, and that's it. With these quick steps, you can easily access all your archived chats on Telegram, keeping your conversations organized and always within reach. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.